in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the remote desktop application or feature on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, should go back with settings, open that up, and then select system on the left side. On the right side, scroll down and select advanced. And then going underneath virtual workspace, select remote desktop. If you want to disable remote desktop, you just want to toggle this option to the off position at the top here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.